A key UN conference is underway in the Chinese city of Kunming to discuss a blueprint for biodiversity conservation over the next decade. COP15 is the first global conference convened by the United Nations to highlight ecological civilization, a philosophy proposed by China. To address biodiversity loss and ecosystem degradation, China has made biodiversity conservation a national strategy. The country has rolled out measures to improve legal and policy frameworks, expand oversight on law enforcement, and encourage public participation. And on various occasions, Chinese President Xi Jinping has expounded on his thought on ecological civilization, which has served as a guiding principle for China towards creating a green economy while promoting equitable biodiversity governance across the world. Earlier, we spoke with some overseas experts who shared their thoughts on China's notions on pursuing harmony between humanity and nature.
In the recent statements by the Chinese president about people living in harmony with nature, and those are really significant. When leadership takes a strong stand, the rest of the country follows, and the economy also follows.
And the President Xi Jinping has introduced this idea of eco-civilization, where they are talking about harmony between the human and the planet. I think that is a fundamental, you can say, their ideology, which is steering the process and leading the Chinese nation towards a harmony between planet and the human, but not at the cost of the human development.
He has put forward some really interesting ideas, and I would say that the green is gold is just not only beautiful words, but it also is something that appeals to the heart as well as to the mind. And I think that the average citizen understands that.
When you talk about sort of what does beautiful China mean, in our mind, it's taking these sort of concrete actions and then turning them into protected areas that allow, humanity and nature to live together in a mutually sustaining way.
Well, the ecological civilization concept is kind of high aspiration, final goal of social and environmental reform.